Hi, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'm showcasing the Moshi IonGo 5K Duo. You saw those details up front. Here's some details here. Some quick details on the back. You can pause the video anytime and take a look at what it has to offer. This is 5,000 milliamps. It has cables, USB-C and Lightning. And then here's some charging specifications. Again, you can pause the video and take a look at the numbers. Okay, and we'll get to the actual battery. It has soft vegan leather on top, so that's not real leather. And there's the built-in lightning cable. There we go. And then the built-in USB-C cable right here. There you are. And what's nice is that it can charge up to 15 watts, so it does fast charging, so that's nice. It's not quite 18 watts, but it is 15, and from a 5,000 milliamp battery, that's pretty impressive. So you can get this from Moshi. It's currently available, and it's 5,000 milliamps. Thanks.